My name is Wesley. I'm working at Grano Arso in Chester, Connecticut. Well, back in the days, we'll have to split our money and usually write it down on a piece of paper. Yeah, there was always a little bit of a nightmare because, you know, it did take a long time for us to take care of that, and numbers has to be exactly correct all the time. You don't want to screw up. With TipHaus right now, it is 100 times better. Very good to know by the end of the night how much money you made itself, and by the next day in the morning, you know what the whole night was all about, like how much I made myself. And it's great. You can plan your week ahead knowing how much you have made the entire week. And now with TipHaus, it's just one click on your phone app, and it's all there for you.